everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am super excited to share with you guys my projects that I created for the 2023 Pastelloween Hop, hosted by myself as well as Scrap Passion 01. If you missed Saturday's upload, guys, you missed a treat. So I will have a link to all of the ladies on yesterday, as well as today's lineup in the description bar below. So all you have to do is open it up and go to the next person. So if you're at my channel, you would have just left Scrap Passion 01's channel. And then after me, you have to go over and check out the talented Jen Pastel. She will be next in the lineup. So guys, without further ado, let me go ahead and jump in and share with you guys what I created for the Pastelloween Hop. So I decided to create this really cute spider web purse that I cut off of the silhouette file. I had this skeleton in my stash. This is a Dollar Tree skeleton. I did spray paint it just to give it some color, make it more Pastelloween, and of course I had to add a bow to it. This is a great size, and I love working with SVG files because you can definitely resize them so that you can create what you want. This is also a SVG file, the little word that says Halloween there. Lots of sparkle. I've added some little purple little jimmies there on the handles there. And again, this is so super cute. I love this. This will be really neat to send it to one of your crafty friends as some boo mail. I always think about creating bag toppers and things like that because I think they're so fun and so quick, and you always need bag toppers if you are participating in any type of event. So I created both of these. On this first one, I just have a little rosette here. This is a little cute little shabby dog there that has a little Halloween bucket there, a little witch hat on there. I cut out the word fright there in some really bright pastel colors there, and this is super cute. So if you wanted to add it on a bag, look how cute that is. That is so stinking cute. I love how that looks. So that's the first one. This one is slightly different because I added a little of the snow mesh there and some stars around the rosette there. This one says treats, and look how cute that is, guys. That is so stinking cute. I love how that turned out. And so again, these little bag toppers are all ready to go to send out some cute boo mail. All right, here is the second set of bag toppers that I created. My little theme here, guys, was totally skull. You'll see here in a moment. And so this is an SVG file as well. This is so sparkly, guys. Look at that sparkle on the little bones there. The little background face there is also very sparkly. I added some of the lilac satin ribbon there, and I am loving the lilac color right now. Look how that looks on that topper there. So cute, guys. I love how this turned out. So these are all ready to go. So fun, so sparkly, and so girly, right? There's nothing spooky about these. All right, I made some rosettes here. I made 2 sets of rosettes here. All right, on this rosette, I have this little cute little lollipop here. I got that from Betty in our recent swap. And then I added some of the little jimmies here from Recollection. Lots of layering to this. I have a little spider there on that one. And then I have this little pastel pumpkin there, as well as this one with a really cute little popsicle there. So these are so cute, so fun, guys. I like these. I really love the bright colors in this rosette here. So pretty. And here is another look at those cutouts there. I cut out a few more of these to have on hand to use in different projects. And then I made some little witch bows here. Again, this one I decided to add one of the little Dollar Tree spiders there. So as you can see, the colors that I used was the pink and the turquoise and the lilac colors. All right, guys, so here is the mini album that I created. So stinking cute, right? So this little mini album was an SVG file that I size to create the album. On her little pigtails, bone pigtails there, I added some tulle, some ribbons, some little candies there. Because again, nothing scary about this one. I have some little jimmies here as her earrings. I also have some little purple flatback pearls. And guys, look at her little nose ring. Isn't that cute? I absolutely love how this turned out. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I use some digital paper to cut out all of the images here, guys. I'll have everything linked below. I have a little sticker here that says Happy Halloween. This is also an SVG file, this little pocket. Inside of this pocket, I have this little mommy tag that I use some vintage photo and distressed around the outside of it, and I just have some more tags in there. So this just tucks right back down in there. And I thought it was really cute because of the little mummy there, and so I think it goes really well with that. On this next page here, look at the little wolf here. So cute. It says, I love chocolate. I have a little haunted house behind it with the little spider there. And then here is where I just have some little mats here with this little bow that I created. Have a little cookie there. I got that from Betty as well. And so these are just some little mats that just stick right back behind this little wolf there. And so you can simply add some photos there. All right, on this one here is another cutout of that digital paper. I have some of the pumpkins here. This is another sticker I had in my stash that says October 31st. This is just some mats that I have stuck down in there that you can pull out and just add some photos there if you want to, some journaling there. So this is just a little pocket band there that you can use to stick behind it. So this is very functional. And then on this side, this is one of my sparkly pages as well. On this side, I have a little jars here. And then I have a little sticker, a word that says boo. This is another cutout from the paper, some little jimmies there. And this opens up where you can add a photo, closed by a magnet, and then I have candy there at the bottom. All right, on this pocket page here, guys, honestly, this is probably just for looks. I created this little shopping bag that has these cute little ghosty cellophane paper there, a little chocolate bar. I cut these little candies out that from a die, and then I have I love chocolate here on this little glittered up pumpkin. So this one here is not as functional or something you can actually put a photo or journal in there. It is totally just for just cuteness only. Have a little ghosty here, a little sticker, and I love this little page here. This was an SVG file as well, a little shopping bag. So stinking cute. Love that. And then the last page here, guys, is one of my favorites. This is a top hat card here, and I just added again a little hand that I spray painted, added a little Jimmy there. On the little cat, this was a digital file that I cut out. I added some glossy accent here to the hat as well as the eyes there, you can see. And then boy, did I pull out this retro trim. This is some recollections trim that I've had in my stash for I can't even remember how long, and just added that to the top hat. And then this flips up. This paper behind is also a digital paper that I printed off. So this opens up as a pop-up, guys, but I haven't put anything in it. It's closed by a magnet there. I figured I could add some photos or something in the inside of this. So cute. So this is very interactive, and I definitely will be adding some photos from my grands when they get their little candy. The back of the album here, that paper is so pretty. I just put my sticker there, and yes. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to jump over to Jen Castell's video and follow the hop. I will be doing a giveaway. I will be doing a $25 PayPal giveaway. And all you need to do is just leave a comment below and be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to also leave a comment on the other ladies in the hop, including the Saturday as well as the Sunday uploads. All right, guys, until next time, I'll talk to you in my next crafty video. Bye now.